challenges, and I changed a lot and I learned a lot about myself, because at the end of it I ended up finding something that I really do love and want to make a career from.
What advice would I give about uni?
Just get out of your comfort zone.
There is pressure, but it is good pressure.
I was diagnosed with dyslexia early on in primary school. Going through secondary school was quite difficult.
From the beginning, I didn't think I'd go to uni.
I always had that goal that I was going to graduate.
I wanted to prove people wrong.
Going through USW and just the help they provided me with, I was able to graduate to the first class honours.
I smashed first class honours, and that was really positive on my mindset.
I grew up in quite a rural town, no gay scene at all, so I kind of hid who I was for quite a long time. Moving away to university, it was a fresh start for me. I was with all new people.
University gives you the space and the time to develop as a person.
At USW, we had so many opportunities for internships and work experience. Get your hands dirty, get stuck in, you can handle it.
Croeso I le sy'n llawn cyferbyniadau cyffroes. Beth bynnag fydd y pwnc y bydde di'n astudio ym Mhrifysgol De Cymru, mae llond gwlad o bethau i'w darganfod yn yr ardal leol. Un brifysgol, 3 lleoliad. Caerdydd, Nghasnewydd, Pontypridd. Cysylltiedig, ond gwahanol, gyda chroeso cynnes I bawb.
I didn't really see the point of university. After my A-levels, the hobby that remained with me was offensive security, technology and information security. The USW course struck me as particularly useful because they suggested that all of our projects mapped onto real work that had happened in industry. It was the only course that had me wanting to go to university, so it felt like a no-brainer.
Uni was more than what I expected, to be honest. I wasn't aware of the vast amount of opportunities and the certifications and all the qualifications you could do, and a lot of them were really easy to reach and they're really accessible. The current role I'm in, where we do documentation and guidance, reminds me of it's just like straight out of an assignment that we get at uni. I guess that's a testament to how great the course kind of functions and takes into consideration what you would actually be doing in the industry. But yeah, USW had really good ties with the wider world.
In terms of the opportunities waiting, students were getting snapped up. Like they were getting picked up. They were getting offered work before they finished.
So many jobs out there.
There's so many jobs.
Even studying IT or computer science or cyber, you can do anything. It's not just tech-related roles. You can do absolutely anything.
It just brought my confidence out, I think. It just allowed me to really be creative and express myself and learn about people, not just sitting down and coding all day. You're learning how people work. Don't underestimate your abilities and just give everything a go. Anything that comes at you, just give it a go.
USW, with the placements that they put you on, definitely provides a stepping stone of preparing you for the world of nursing.
I was probably more of an academic student in terms of placements and things. I was less prepared. I definitely found that the placements in USW were really useful in learning ins and outs of the job, really. It allowed me to kind of progress in a way that going from placement to placement, experiencing all these different things, getting support from mentors, really allowed me to kind of hone in them skills that I needed to start doing the job of nursing.
Because a lot of the lecturers in USW are ex-nurses or people who are still practicing as nurses but also teaching at the same time. They're able to support you throughout placement as well and kind of tell you, well, you know, that's not right or that is right. There was like no silly questions and no silly experiences, and you're able to kind of have support with one another from the people on the course.
From first to third year, my confidence had dramatically increased, and I think every year as you have more experience and meet different people, that just keeps growing, and you just need to develop that resilience in you and that confidence.
You know that you're not going to actually need nursing, because nursing is like a calling, isn't it?
Nursing can be really scary.
Graddedigion a gwesteion, croeso cynnes i Brifysgol De Cymru. Mae hwn yn ddiwrnod arbennig iawn i'r myfyrwyr sydd ar fi'n graddio, a'i teuluoedd a'i ffrindiau, ac yn uchafbwynt ar flynyddoedd o waith caled. Gobeithio byddwch yn cael diwrnod hyfryd ac yn mwynhau'r seremoni. Graduates and guests, welcome to the University of South Wales. This is a very special day for both the students who are about to graduate and their families and friends, after the culmination of many years of hard work and commitment. We hope that you have a pleasant day and enjoy the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn dechrau ymhen ychydig, ond cyn hynny mae angen I fi roi ychydig o wybodaeth ynglŷn â'r seremoni I chi. Bod y seremoni ag elfen ffurfiol iddi, hoffem I chi deimlo'n gatrefol hefyd. Rwy'n gweld rhai plant bach yn y gynulleidfa. Os ydynt yn dechrau aflynyddu yn ystod y seremoni, byddwn yn ddiolchgar pe byddech yn mynd â nhw allan, fel nad ydynt yn ymharu ar y seremoni I weddill y gynulleidfa. Fe fydd y stiwardiaid yn gallu dangos I chi ble I fynd I wylio'r seremoni drwy gyfrwng llif byw, ac felly wnewch chi ddim colli unrhyw ran o'r seremoni. The ceremony will start soon, but before then it falls to me to give you some information about the proceedings. Although the ceremony is a formal occasion, we also hope that you will feel relaxed. I can see that there are some young children in the audience. If they become restless during the ceremony, we would be grateful if you would take them out so that they don't detract from the ceremony for the rest of the audience. The stewards will be able to advise you where you can go to watch the ceremony via a live stream, so you won't miss out on any of the ceremony. Nid ydym yn disgwyl unrhyw ymarferion tân heddiw, ond os bydd unrhyw argyfwng heddiw, awnewch chi adael trwy'r allanfeydd tân sydd wedi ei hyrwyddo trwy'r auditoriwm. Un peth pwysig arall, awnewch chi sicrhau fod eich ffonau symudol wedi ei diffodd trwy gydol y seremoni os gwelwch yn dda. We are not expecting any fire alarms or any emergencies today. However, should we need to evacuate, then please leave via the fire exits which are marked in the auditorium. One last but very important request. Please can you make sure that all mobile phones are switched off throughout the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn para rhyw awr a hanner. Tua hanner ffordd trwy cyflwyno'r dyfyniadau yn Graddedigion, mi fydd egwyl gerddorol fer, ble bydd myfyrwyr o'r Coleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru yn perfformio. Mae'r perfformiad gan y cerddorion yn rhan o'r seremoni, felly awnewch chi aros yn eich seddi tra bod yn perfformio os gwelwch yn dda. The ceremony will last about an hour and a half. Halfway through the presentation of awards to our graduates, we will have a short musical interlude performed by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. The performance by the musicians is part of the ceremony, so please remain in your seats while they are performing. Ar ddechrau y seremoni, fe fydd yr yrymdaith yn dod I mewn i'r auditoriwm. Yn arwain ar yr yrymdaith bydd prif swyddogion y brifysgol, penaethiaid chyfadran ac aelodau o'r staff academaidd. Mi fyddent yn cael ei dilyn gan y byrllysg ac yna'r gynghellor neu ei enwebau. At the start of the ceremony, the procession will enter the auditorium. The procession is made up of the chief officers of the university, faculty heads and academic staff. They will be followed by the mace and then the chancellor or their nominee. Ar ddiwedd y seremoni, bydd yr yrymdaith yn gadael yr auditoriwm ac yn cymeradwyo'r graddedigion allan. Peidiwch â gadael eich seddi nes bod y graddedigion ar yr ymdaith wedi gadael yr auditoriwm os gwelwch yn dda. Gallwch adael wedyn drwy'r allanfa agosaf ac byddwch yn gallu cwrdd â'r graddedigion y tu allan. At the end of the ceremony, the procession will exit the auditorium and clap the graduates out. Please do not leave your seats until both the graduates and the procession have left the auditorium. You will then be able to leave the auditorium through the nearest exit and meet up with the graduates outside. Mae'r llyfryn a gyhoeddwyd gennym yn rhoi cefndir i'r seremonïau graddio, a hefyd rhaglen sy'n nodi trefn y trafodion ac yn cynnwys enwau'r myfyrwyr sy'n graddio yn y seremoni hon. Gobeithio'n y byddwch yn mwynhau'r llyfryn ac y bydd yn gofeb werthfawr o'r diwrnod arbennig hwn heddiw. The published brochure provides background to the graduation ceremonies and also a programme setting out the order of proceedings, including the names of the students graduating in this ceremony. We hope you will enjoy the brochure and that it will be a valuable souvenir of this special day today. Yn olaf, bydd y seremoni yn cychwyn yn fuan. Rydych chi ein myfyrwyr wedi gweithio'n galed i gyrraedd yma heddiw, felly mwynhewch y seremoni a gweddill y diwrnod. Llongyfarchiadau. Finally, the ceremony will be starting shortly. You, our students, have worked hard to get here today, so enjoy the ceremony and the rest of the day. Congratulations.
Darpa'r radddegion a gwesteion, a wnewch chi sefyll ar gyfer yr yrymdaith academaidd os gwelwch yn dda. Graduands and guests, please be upstanding for the academic procession.
Nghasnewydd dda, croeso, good evening, welcome. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I'd like to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Ben Calvert, to speak to you. Please be seated.
Anffyrus Genhethlo yn oelgyfeithlion, noswaith dda, croeso I Brifysgol de Cymru. And if you're visiting Wales for the first time, croeso I Gymru, welcome to Wales, croeso cynnes I chi gyd. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to our graduation ceremony. We're really happy to see you all here today in this magnificent building. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841, an education institution set up by industry to bring education to workers in the region and to raise people's aspirations. We are a long way past those founding moments, but much of the vision of those times endures. Mae Brifysgol a byd busnes yn gweithio law yn llaw. Our university is proud that it works hand in glove with business and industry, preparing people for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals like yourselves to reach the fullest expression of their talent. We're proud that we bring a diverse range of people into our community at different phases of their lives, with different aspirations. Education is a people business. So as I look out at you here today, looking absolutely fantastic in your gowns and so happy to have reached this point, I don't see a crowd. I see individuals, distinctive people with your own character, your own reasons to be here. You may have come to the university with a burning passion and have applied that to your studies, immersing yourself in a subject that you love. Others of you may have felt uncertain about what your future holds, or whether you were on the right track or have made the right choice. But through your studies, you may have learned more about yourself, your abilities, your opportunities, and have shaped for yourself a greater sense of possibility for life beyond study. Some of you may still be asking about your next steps, and that is okay too. University is about personal growth as much as it is about study. You will all have had your different reasons for coming to study with us. Some of you straight from schools, others of you already in work, wanting to upskill yourself, and there are many of you who have taken the brave step to move your lives from another country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. Recently, I spoke to an alumnus of the university who has completed 6 degrees with us and is now registered on the 7th. So be careful. We can be a very difficult place to leave. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complicated world. It's not always easy to navigate. It can sometimes be a bit scary. We also live in a world that clearly and evidently needs to change, whether that's to address inequality, the state of the planet and the natural world, the purpose of our politics, or the health and well-being of people. We're in a moment where, as members of society, we have to make choices about the world we want to live in and that we want our children and our grandchildren to inherit. Carrying on as we are probably isn't an option. So we're going to need people who can affect change, people who aren't satisfied with things as they are. You're going to need to face the future bravely, to challenge, to innovate, be inclusive, and work in your communities to create a society in which balanced and sustainable lives are possible without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of people. That probably needs more from you as graduates than it's asked of others because of the challenging times we live in. That can seem like a really big ask. It might even seem a little bit unfair. But don't worry, that doesn't mean we're asking you to single-handedly change the world. But you can be that change in your profession, be that your hospital, your school, your company, your immediate team. Big change is usually an aggregate of small ones. We have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legends of the Mabinogion, the story of Branwen. Avo ben bid bont. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. As you have studied, you will have supported others. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled each other to reach heights you may not have reached alone. You may even have told each other a few home truths along the way. And you will have balanced all the competing demands of your time: work, relationships, family. These are skills that you will take into your career and are skills of leadership. We often talk about the University of South Wales family. In Welsh, we say, Teulu Prifysgol de Cymru. For all of us, it is our community that props us up. And as leaders, you will be a prop for others, inspiring them to succeed. As I welcome you today into our community of graduates, Croeso in Cymuned o Graddio, I would like to remind you that communities don't always work perfectly. No relationship is straightforward. But I like to think that at the University of South Wales, that our intentions as a community are good to help you change your life and our world for the better. As you prepare for your next steps, we also hope that your time at the university will have made you adaptable and resilient. Life is just not a straight line of progress. We all have bumps in the road, times when things are easier, times when they're harder. Life doesn't stop and wait for your career. So as well as having the talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break. Life has swings, life has roundabouts. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, reflect, and have a go again. It's just a moment in your life and career. And today is a really important moment in your life. Today, we all get the pleasure to celebrate your achievements. Mae heddi yn amser I dathlu llwyddiant. Your job today is to feel proud of yourself, to look fabulous, to take loads of photos, maybe even to shed the odd tear or two. And to help in that task, I have an ask of everyone sitting behind you and up there in the gods. Excuse me. You've got a job today too. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend or partner walks across the stage, they are in no doubt how proud you are of them. And the traditional way to do that is to clap. You might even whistle or holler their name. The only thing is that to do it loudly is compulsory, not optional. So, I suggest we have a practice on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Given that we are at the end of a very long day, that's really good. What a lovely sound that is. Can I also ask one other thing of you as well? As a courtesy to all of our graduates here who've worked so hard, we want them to be applauded by a full theatre. So unless you have children that you need to take from the theatre during the ceremony, or you need to leave for good reason, could you please stay seated throughout so that every graduate, from first to last, is honoured by everybody in the room. Thank you. So to close, and back to our graduates, as you walk across the stage here today and collect your award, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind: pride. In Welsh we say balchder. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential to do great things. Be proud of yourself, not who somebody else wishes you to be. You will always be part of the University of South Wales family and community of graduates, and we will always be proud of each and every one of you. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.
Congregation, it is my pleasure to present a worthy candidate for the award of an honorary fellowship of the University of South Wales. The university confers honorary degrees and fellowships on outstanding people who are true leaders in their field, inviting them to become part of our academic community with this significant honour. Olivia Breen, known to many as Livy, was born on the 26th of July 1996 by an emergency caesarean section. Olivia contracted a meningitis-type illness at birth, which left her in a special care baby unit at Guildford Hospital for a month. She was diagnosed with cerebral palsy at the age of 2 and is also hearing impaired. Although Olivia found school challenging, she thrived within sport, enjoying the competitiveness of running and being faster than her classmates. Her mother Helen said that a talent introduction day proved to be a major turning point in Olivia's life. Quoting, "She was reluctant to view herself as disabled and in any way different from her friends. That day made her appreciate that having cerebral palsy was part of her, and she has seen a disability as a positive element of her personality." In early 2012, Olivia went to a UK athletics event where she got a national classification to run as a disabled T38 athlete. At just 16 years of age, she was chosen to represent Great Britain in her home Paralympic Games in London, competing in the 100 metres, 200 metres and 4x100 metre relay. She was the youngest Paralympian on the athletics team, coming 5th in the final of the 100 metres and winning a bronze medal in the relay. The Games were life-changing as they were the springboard to being awarded a Sky Academy Athletics Scholarship. After a disappointing Rio Paralympics, Olivia moved to Loughborough College, and less than a year later, at the 2017 IPC World Championships, she secured a gold medal in the T38 long jump, jumping a lifetime best of 4 metres 81 centimetres. In April 2018, Olivia travelled with Team Wales to the Commonwealth Games on the Gold Coast. She competed on the first day of athletics and won Wales's first athletics gold medal in the long jump, jumping a personal best and setting a new Games record. Olivia was also named as the Disability Sport Wales Female Athlete of the Year. Olivia had the honour of being selected as the team captain for the 2022 Commonwealth Games in Birmingham and took the gold medal in the women's 100 metres final. Later in that year, she won the BBC Cymru Wales Sports Personality of the Year, becoming only the second Paralympian following fellow USW alumni Baroness Tanni Gray-Thompson in winning the prestigious award. Her overall record of winning 2 golds, a silver and a bronze at the World Championships, together with 2 Paralympic bronze medals and 2 golds and a bronze in the Commonwealth Games, is an incredible medal haul and testament to the dedication that Olivia has invested in her pursuit of excellence. But she's only 28, so what next? Well, having returned from South Africa just yesterday, she's in training for the World Para-Athletics Championships to be held in Delhi later this year. All being well, she will then be focusing on selection for the Commonwealth Games and the Los Angeles 2028 Paralympics. But we all collectively have so much more to do to ensure that sport provides an inclusive environment for disabled people. A recent Disability Sport Wales report showed that the number of disabled female participants within community sport and physical activity is declining, and more work needs to be done to increase the number of opportunities and to remove the potential barriers. Olivia is a passionate advocate for disability sport, particularly championing opportunities for women and girls. Olivia's journey in becoming Wales's most successful athletes makes her an inspirational role model for all young people across our nation. She fully embodies the values of our own organisation and is an exemplar of our vision of changing lives and our world for the better. Congregation, it is with great pleasure that I present to you for the award of an honorary fellowship of the University of South Wales, Olivia Breen.
Bring it. Sorry. Thank you. Olivia, it is with great pleasure that we award you this honorary fellowship at the University of South Wales. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Please.
Wow, that was incredible. Thank you so much, Bob. I really appreciate it. So, diolch yn fawr, everyone. What an amazing day for you all, set for all of you graduates and your family. Congratulations to you all. I hope you're really enjoying your day and what a huge honour it is to achieve this honorship and fellowship. I never thought I would receive any sort of award from a university, let alone a fellowship. I'm so excited. Wow. So, I'm a full-time Paralympian. I've got a condition called cerebral palsy, and I'm deaf and also have some learning difficulties. When I was little, my parents were asked to take me out of school, of nursery school, and later infant school, as people in charge didn't think they'll be able to cope with me or guarantee my safety. The local authority didn't The local authority wanted to send me to a special school 20 miles away from home, but my parents were determined that mainstream juniors was the best thing for me. They were so right. I always loved school, but it wasn't really my thing. I loved the soc and seeing my friends. I did, however, love running, and on my first sports day at infant school, my parents and everyone were there and were shocked that I won my race. I loved the feeling of being good at something, and nothing made me happier than running. Whilst I couldn't do maths, I was fast, and sport became my thing. My parents let me try everything, for example, horse riding, trampolining, tap dancing, drama, and running was almost my favourite thing. Quite interesting for someone who's got cerebral palsy doing tap dancing. All my family are very sporty and very competitive. They're also very academic. My brothers and cousins all went to uni. In fact, my mum and one of my cousins graduated at USW, which makes receiving this fellowship even more special. I will now get a photo on my grandparents' mantelpiece in a cape and a gown. Wow. I did my best at school, but it was a struggle. Thank you. I did my best at school, but it was a struggle, like many of you. I love fashion and textiles and thought I would have a career in this. Around the same time, I was thinking about my future. I was really enjoying training at the City of Portsmouth Athletics Club, and my mum used to drive me an hour-long round trip 3 times a week, as she knew it was really important to me. I can picture for the club in an able-bodied environment and would usually finish at the back of the field. My parents suggested that I should get into power sport to me, but I never really saw myself as disabled and any different to my friends. One day, they managed to persuade me to give disability sport a go. I went to an England talent day organised by British Athletics. I loved being around disabled people and realising that environment, and then I was really quick. In January 2012, I was nationally classified and was given the T38 classification, which is the least impairment class for people with coordination impairment. They realised I was the fastest T38 female in the country. Wow, at 15 years old, I was thinking, oh my goodness. From then, my life became crazy. From 6 months, I was on the track. 6 months later, I was on the track at the Olympic Stadium at London and won a bronze medal at 16 years old. Thank you. After London, I went back to my normal life and kept training. Then in 2013, I was awarded a Sky Scholarship for young athletes. The person running the scheme and said that I had the potential and I needed to move to a professional coach. So rather than joining with my friends at the local sixth form college and studying textiles and sport, I moved to a residential college in North London, which had an athletics academy. It was amazing to be in that environment and training with some of the best sprinters in the world, in the country. Life has certainly changed, and I'm so glad I grabbed every opportunity. Since those days, I've been to Rio, Tokyo, and the Paris Paralympics, and multiple World and European Championships. I had a terrible games in Rio, came 12th in the long jump, and 7th in the 100 metres. My parents wanted me to leave the sport, as they thought it was having a massive effect on my mental health. Instead, I changed things. I moved to Loughborough to a different coach and started to focus more on the long jump. 2017, I became world champion. 2018, I became Commonwealth champion for Wales in the long jump. I then went to win a bronze medal in the long jump in Tokyo, which was incredible after all the uncertainty and lockdown. Undoubtedly, the highlight of my career was winning the 100 metres in the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. I've been competing against the same girl for 9 years in the 100 metres and thought she was unbeatable. But in 2022, I came together and I won. To do that from front of the home games found me... Thank you, guys. To do that in front of my friends and family after the loneliness of Tokyo was a dream come true. So one of the things I'll say to you all all of you on the next stage of your journeys is to enjoy the ride. As an athlete, I have had to learn to take the rough with the smooth. I've had incredible experiences of intense enjoyment along with extreme frustration and sadness. I am a firm believer that in taking every opportunity which life offers me, because you never know where these opportunities may lead. I'm so glad I've embraced my disability sport because it has become my life, and as a result, I've had incredible experiences and met the most amazing people. My other piece of advice would be to keep working hard. Obviously, you're all very smart, and you have all worked really hard to get to this graduate day. As an athlete, my focus is to make every teeny improvement to keep me at the top of my game. It's all about margins in sport, and I know that the girls I compete against are all working really hard. Some of them have a least impairment, less than me, so I have to try and keep ahead of my training by training hard, eating well, and keeping the sacrifices to achieve these tiny margins. I never leave anything on the track. I always want to know that I've given it my all. My last piece of advice to you all would be to believe in yourself. My motto is #actually I can. I've been written off by so many times in my life as disabled and the deaf girl. I've been patronised and ignored. I hate injustice of any kind, and I have a reputation in my sport as the feisty, outspoken one, and that people that I'm not prepared to be overlooked. Disabled people should not be underestimated. We spend every day to be resourceful in order to overcome our solutions to find the difficulties which we face. We have to crack on, and which makes us all valuable access to all the situations. All of us should never be underestimated ourselves and never allow ourselves to be underestimated. Once again, thank you all so much for listening to me and the recognition. I wish you all the very best in your futures. And be bold, guys.
Gadewch I tofodin hosbis, I elador brifisgol, ac I bawb sydd aman bresynol, ac yn helir canechiad o brifisgol de Cymru o Ninas Nghasnewydd ar e bedferet dydd ar 20 o Ionawr 25. Heddiw, anryddiadon asgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy ei deallusrwydd a'i hamdrech asgolheigaid, ei bodyn gamwys I gael ei derbyn ar gyfer gradau ei camwystyrau'r brifysgol. Drwy anryddetu ei garediad, gadewch I rheini sydd aman bresynol gydnabod ei hamrwymiad a dathlu ei chwyddiant. Bydsodon ein gobeithion a'n disgwyliadau andent gan obeithio a bodant a'n rhoi talent a'i disgyrbron ei proffesiwn a'n comunidau. Hederon a bodant a'n cyfrannu a dyfodol ein cymdeithas gydag anryddet a chlod.
Let it be known by the members of the university and all here present that a congregation of University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 24th day of January 2025. Today, we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualification of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industry candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Christoph Steele. Christoph Steele, in recognition of a programme of work entitled The Corporation Innovation Dilemma, Learnings for the Next Generation of Automotive Innovation Programmes.
The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Simon Thomas and Dr. Elizabeth Lloyd Parks, Faculty of Business and Creative Industries, in collaboration with Munich University of Applied Sciences. The Master of Arts and Design Innovation, Ukbin Victor Adekunle. Bright Anacone. Simon Bradwick. Agogane Oriero. Korede Oyemi. The Master of Arts in Drama, Olivia Rose Barry. Kaylee Barton. Molly Bewes. Joseph Cohen. Daisy Grimwood Jones. Deborah Newton Williams. Henry Platts. Jack Strickland. The Master of Arts in Games Enterprise, Kyle Looney. The Master of Arts in Graphic Communication, Aidan Clark. Martin Doyle. Caitlin Howells. Elizabeth McMeekin. Seren Morris. Tyreek Salumu. Ying Hao Chu. Zoe Turner. Holly Tyler. Blessing Chukudi. Laura Williams. Rosario Zela. The Master of Arts in Songwriting and Production, Amy Badger Hansen. Rhiannon Barber. Ryan Cohen. Hugh Edwards. Matthew Evans. Holly Gillespie. Daniel Humphreys. Michael Parker. William Saville. Marta Martins. Esme Thomas. Dylan Tilley. Neoma Ukandu. The Master of Laws in International Commercial Law, Uche Amechi. Asheka Asha. Nissi Ezemuzi. Mohammed Omar Farouk. Avijit Golder. Mohammed Saiful Islam. Abdul Mujir. Mohammed Imran Mia. Kamrun Nahar. Ifat Hassan Pranto. Tasneem Rakik. Hasnaina Rashid. Abdul Rayam. Majida Seba. Mohammed Siblu Siddiqui. Mohammed Jassim Uddin. Mohammed Afanuddin. Amanullah. The Masters of Laws in Laws, Nishati Amadoru. Ezra Bagulu. Ngozi Chinemenem. Obai Staywood. Henda Dura Dezoiza. Mohammed Faisal Dewen. Ritu Halder. Sabir Hassan. Sahid Sahan. Oh. Asmita Hussain. Shah Hosnezazam. Ezrat Imo. Mohammed Reza Nur Islam. Mujahid Dil Islam. Razul Karim. Bilal Khahil. Pad Munkara Lizanje. Fatima Nassar. Hussein Mudud Uddin. Tarek Murshid. Fazal Rabi. Alim Arabi. Boudica Rajneka, Nabans Said, Ashraf Abdin, Yang Zhang, the Master of Laws in Law, UNICAF, Elizabeth Amechi, Okon Ekpo, Winifrida Muninda, Kevin Najiri, Adrian Smith, the Master of Laws in Law, Technology and Innovation, Babafemi Lawal Rabana, Omo Balande Hamilat Omoteo, Famid Rahman, the Master of Laws in Legal Practice, Sagal Al-Dalili. Oh, sorry. Abdahalili. Kirsty Chambers. Kellis Fencott. Genevieve Forrester. Gabrielle Garbett. Laurie Govia. Mohammed Harris. Samuel Holloway. Holly Jones. Megan Jones. Sophie Parton. Rian Picton. Andrew Plain. Katrina Ryan. Tara Taylor. Sally West Allen. Fionn Whitcomb. Jordana Woods. The Master of Laws in Legal Research, Alicia Baxter. Sarah Tussell Booth. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Adil Ahmad. Rua Ahmed. Jalal Al-Mashira. Uzama Arif. Mohammed Arsalan. Wakar Ashraf. Khadija Archi. Mohammed Abdul Aziz. Adebisi Babalola. KM Babazit. Edwin Peter. Malachi Chukabuke. Abanti Chowdhury. Ohajuman Chowdhury. Naiful Dip. Osas Efferton. Eninomen Echioya. Mohammed Orman Farouk. Thothansan Gobalangs Giam. Mohammed Hassan. Mohammed Munul Hassan. Mohammed Rakhib Rasan. Mohammed Jaheen Hassan Asib. Sahib Hussain. Mosharraf Hussain. Chidima Egaboro. Nikiruka Igabuna. Mohammed Mostaqim Islam. Mohammed Shaiful Islam. Mohammed Saiful Islam. Kamarocham. Priyankan Kanathasan. Mohammed Yusuf Khan. Shafi Ullah Khan. Mohammed Ashkrizam Kondaka. Ramesh Kamika Arachi. Emitas Mahmood. Omer Mamun. Thilan Marashinge. Samira Maldawirdara. Mohammed Ifkar Moon. Farouk Mumtaz. Sanjadi Mukarak Daurura. Mohammed Nasser. Neluka Bamuni Arachi. Kajestan Oko. Sheikh Shaharirar Pavez. Avishak Roy Chowdhury Primton. Mohammed Faizle Rabi. Nazmul Rafi. Mohammed Oscar Rahman. Saifur Rahman. Gothaman Rashinidrem. Chamindi Rataneke. Mohammed Abdul Roof. Onalapo Sangdore. Roy Sojaman Shabab. Mohammed Shakawat Ali Shiem. Mohammed Jahibin Siddiq. Mutadidur Rahman Saifaf. Mirza Shwana. Kingsley Theophilus. Mezbaha Udin. Idris Wabhab. Mohammed Fahim Yusuf. Mohammed Samshed. The Master of Science in Health and Public Service Management, Tarina Ahmed. Endurance Ajay. Margaret Ajay. Shaiti Akhtar. Fajana Akhtar. Faisal Amin. Afsana Arafin. Abdullah Arshad. Faiza Asgar. Mohammed Raibul Awal. Grace Adieji. Joan Etulele. Ekaterina Romanzinina. Olienka Solarin. Tanjina Sultana. Nenke Helen Uchuku.
Fy wnawn ni nawr glywed ddatganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by the students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider USW family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Masters of Music degrees from the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to our performers.
The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Sahoud Zaman Abbasi. John Adebayo. Bizi Agbula. Jahangir Ahmad. Junaid Ahmed. Rahib Ahmed. Mohammed Ahmad. Donald Ekme Ahutu. Atik Hassan. Sehi Joseph Ajabaide. Victoria Akinindran. Shikter Anik. Velgaman Gemge Ariantne. Augustine Asante. Mohammed Atik. Linus Ayasoisi. Syed Aliul Hussein Bukhari. Reindolf Dabo. Kalupana Diange de Silva. Kenista Elgano. Mohammed Khaled bin Faisal. Janatul Ferduras. Favour Godwin. Charathura Mathel Hagabola Arachi. Tahib Hamza. Mohammed Mehdi Mahassan. Winifred Ibe Anzu. Elizabeth Ebi Zugbe. Peggy Igwe. Mohammed Shaifur Islam. Raja Kayana Sunandaram. Mohammed Khan. Tulasi Kona. Aminat Lawal. Mohammed Awais Ligat. Natalia Lingman. Anthony Lobo. Mohammed Yusuf Mia. Richard Mirilla. Jessica Moiran. Mohammed Naeem. Solomon Nebo. Rosemary Nemako Alexander. Pascal Nuagugu. Fazanai Nuafuro. Benedicte Odusuni. Ojo Alabayo Agadare. Taiwo Adefunke Agoluna. Kehinde Ubalawua Alubade. Olarid Roitimi Osamasa. Juventus Ogubula. Crescent Onia. Tony Oriua. Gomba Gigi Osara Judge. Michael Osara Dion. Elizabeth Oyaye. Saman Patharingel Galge. Rodri Poacher. Deepa Pradeep. Suganthi Raghupathi. Sawadir Ramin. Shubho Rahman. Mohammed Zahad Hussain Raju. Mataija Rashid. Abdul Rehman. Chowdhury Romeo. Anika Sawa. Manu Sasikala Anand. Sushmita Shah. Sampathawadke Silva. Shamin Mia Talafuter. David Taylor. Akube Udembu. Victor Ulu. Triswathan. Ruvani Vejenskege. Mustau Usuf. The Master of Science in Leadership in Healthcare Learner Limited, Sharon Evans. Claire Norman. Rachel Way. Donna Wigmore. The Master of Science in Leading Digital Transformation, Ashley Bale. Michael Harbour. Joshua Hunt. Emma McGowan. Claire Power. Claire Pramanna. Mohammed Raka. Emma Richards. Sophie Rogers. Caroline Chazanza. Emily Sully. Brett Thomas. Katie Thomas. David Webb. The Master of Science in Music, Engineering and Production, Gregory Kuma. Konstantinos Lairas. Eleanor Morris. The Master of Science in Project Management, Ademola Adejeji. Theophilus Ademunjo. Adenji Akalane. Oluwafemi Adebayo Adejenji. De Adeleo Adetunji. Fawaz Adetunji. Chaz Adiebo. Camille Adebaije. Aline Ahmad. Bonmi Ajay Chan. Augustina Ajimimi. Adimbola Akimboyeye. Ahmed Al-Maliki. Esther Amori. Mohammed Anas. Saikat Apu. Ojama Atodo. Nugwa Ateba. Lev Samuel Atekombi Yobon. Shampa Banik. Abdul Basit Bello. Ramachandra Chiti. Godson Edidi Chukwudu. Good luck Chimzi Chukunka. Catherine Davis. Vincent Davis. Hafiz Kamran Dildar. Jaginta Edge. Eunice Ekapukuku. Goodness Azeze. Prosper Azedidi. Fahad Farouk. Dua Fatima. Falek Fatunamor. Uzama Furkan. Hamed Gidado. Jones Godwin Emmanuel. Mohammed Haroon Rashid. Chidera Jennifer Ivediba. John Adibuka Imhodu. Mohammed Shariful Islam. Sharafaddin Jimo. Ahmed Ali Khan. Lubina Bashir. Callum Mansell. Olamide Muriania. Toluwapole Mustafa. Henry Nuwasiri. Joseph Obuku. Oluwasei Obianta. Babatundi Odi. Patrick Ogogun. Chukwuemeka Mecca Ofor. Honorida Silvateri Ogega Debig. Quadri Ahmed. John Ogwe Deji. Oluwasegun Oluwasano. Stanley Okume. Victor Okoko. Ruth Okoye. Akinwale Aleanu. Sean Francie Onemo. Nika Sayobi Victoria Onuora. Onieke Jude Oniolu. Ope Yemi Ompananuga. Eshoye Sharon Oskaye. Patience Atabege. Oluwatosin Oyebola. Arunan Patharos Sothi. Mirain Chinenwe Pashal Eberuche. Anoima Pulkul Lati Arache. Watiliat Ramin. Neshat Ryan. Kavenju Vithalange. Abiriman Rajay Dram. Ridima Layomi Rangangshe. Asan Riaz. Sayama. SK Najmus Sakib. Mohammed Saijalal Sahib. Sahid Jalasha bin Babatunde Michael Taiwo. Patience Uguarko. Felini Verman. The Master of Science in Strategic Procurement Management, Asha. Bummi Comfort Adiboydun. Agatha Abayo. Olabisi Adadribit. Sorry. Thamid Alim. Aziz Atashola. Cheneye Ekeje Alamanzi. Juliet Ataku Eritrea Peter. Luke Evans. David Ilta. Isabel Jaibo. Jude Mamamuzu. Ademola Ayeola. Maureen Onuhuaha. Josephine Ifeoma Okurayaman. Keenan Pratt. Hayley Richards. Emoobong Rita Solomon. Rachel Stirrup. Ebele Victor. Sajudeen Yakubu. The Postgraduate Diploma in Leadership in Healthcare Learner Limited, Sarah Lashon. The Postgraduate Diploma in Legal Practice, Bethany Davis. Georgia Davis. Chantel Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Ethan Edelman. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management Marketing, Ruby Sturgis. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Games Design, Charlesford Lydiot. The Bachelor of Arts in Music Business, Jordan Lewis. The Bachelor of Arts in Performance and Media, Kanchan Karachi. Oshan Lewis. Lucy Lockhart. The Bachelor of Arts in Popular and Commercial Music, Joshua Rennie. The Bachelor of Arts in Public Services, Rhys Gingell. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film, Hair, Makeup and Special Effects, Coleg y Cymoedd Nantgarw, Maya Tierney. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Abra Islam Boyan. SK Masum Bilal. Sheikh Faisal. Noor Hussain. Mohammed Islam. Mir Jamil. Anutam Nayan. Sami Arafi. Aisha Akhtar Ria. Fahan Sheikh. The Bachelor of Laws in Law with Criminology and Criminal Justice, Jonathan Alcock. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Vijayan Thanne, Mudaselage Lasith Rishminda. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded. The the Master of Science in Public Health, Learner Limited. Catherine Taylor. The Master of Science in Sports and Exercise Medicine, Learner Limited, Andre Abella. Adeyemi Adeomo. Spanu Churi Sola. Kate Edwards. Ikram Hamid. Oliver Oliver. The Postgraduate Diploma in Public Health, Learner Limited, Musa Abdullah. Abid Hussain. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Nuzarat Akon. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, KM Ahad. Dewan Thamid Ahmed. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Sajul Islam Sagar. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Aslam Kasi. Afusad Abdullah Adams. The Master of Science in Health and Public Service Management, Sylvia Ozuman Meh. The Master of Science in Project Management, Adefilad Adeola. The Master of Science in Strategic Procurement Management, Oluwasein Ogian K. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Faija Hossan. The Master of Science in Project Management, Chidema Antasia Aluchuru. Fayez Hussain. Apologies for the moment. Okay. Yeah. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Alim Askar. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Amal Sudaranzan. The Master of Science in Project Management, Juliana Uchendu. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Arasufur Ar-Rahman. The Master of Science in Project Management, Waqar Ashraf. Master of Law in Laws, Maisam Asif. The Master of Science in The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Godwin Olugu Sensusa. The Master of Science in Health and Public Service Management, Enwoga Godwin Akanga. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Tanzila Tabasum Momo. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Abiola Samuel Adebayo. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Sumayu Islam. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Tanzim Rahman Dip. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Tashobi Mohammed Taimim. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Eshamul Alam. The Master of Laws in Law, Technology and Innovation, Emmanuel Oyogban Omachi. The Master of Science in Project Management, Faithwyn Harry. The Master of Science in Management, Chiendri Dennis Oliangu. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Oluwafi Jamil Oyebaye. The Master of Science in Project Management, Salaman Ali. The Master of Arts in Drama, Jack Ogmo. The Master of Science in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Parvati Sushanini. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Knila Lima Joy.
Wow, there's a lot of you. Slightly, well, most of you have stayed, so thank you for doing that. Look, I'm going to be quick because I think it's a Friday evening, standing between you and getting home and or partying, whatever you plan to do after this event. So, sorry, I've 1,500 congratulations as my voice is going. Another reason to wrap this up quickly. So, 480 of those congratulations were this afternoon in this ceremony, and we meant every one of those. Congratulations to each of you individually. You've achieved a great deal, and hopefully will achieve a great deal more going forward. But the University of South Wales is so proud both of you and of your achievements. But really it's about you being proud of them. And that's the main thing, and I think that's what Ben's really talked about earlier. I think it's not a competition, but we have had 7 graduation ceremonies this winter season, 4 yesterday, 3 today. And you are the last and the largest, and also, in my view, the best. So well done. And there is no one else coming after, so you're definitely the best. So, look, I think I wanted to say thank you and get you to sort of applaud 3 groups of people, and then I think we can sing the national anthem and then we can go. So I think it is about you and about the pride you should have in your achievements, and I think it is then about the change you can make in your lives and in the world as you go forward. There are a couple of groups in the room that also, I think, have had a role in your achievements. So your friends, your family, supporters who are here, I think a round of applause from you to them would be The other group, some of whom are on stage behind me, is the nearly 3,000 staff we have at the University of South Wales who've been teaching you, encouraging you, cajoling you, feeding you, etc., over the however long you've been taking your degree. So I think you'd like to thank them as well. My last thank you is just is a repeat one, really, which is to Olivia. I thought that was a fantastic speech and really inspiring. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I think we should let you go. You are now part of the University of South Wales family, as Ben said, and we'll be looking at your future success and hoping to keep in touch as you become our alumni and our ambassadors. Congratulations to all of you. Our warmest best wishes go with you for your continued success. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Can I invite those who are able to stand for the national anthem? Thanks.